Floor cleaning is a very important part of your job, and there are different types of floors, namely carpet and hard floors. From your trolley, assemble your equipment as necessary for the floor you are cleaning. You will need either a vacuum cleaner with a crevice tool for carpeted floors, or a Ketch mop and filled pulse mop, or mop and Jontech 300 for hard floors. You should have sufficient warning signs for the working area, and before you start work, you should place them at every entrance and exit as applicable. Always make sure you are wearing your gloves. For carpet cleaning, you should use the crevice tool along all edges of the carpet. You can also use this to get into hard-to-reach areas. Work methodically, keeping the vacuum behind you and positioning yourself away from the cable so you don't trip up. When you have finished the edges, replace the crevice tool with the flat floor tool and work in a methodical way, slightly overlapping, to make sure that all of the floor area is vacuumed. Take care to also vacuum under desks and chairs that may be in the area. When using a vacuum, never pull it by the cord or pull the plug out of the wall by the cord. Never overstretch the cable. For hard floors, first use either a Ketch mop, which is shown in the video, or a vacuum cleaner to clean away any loose debris from the floor. With a Ketch mop, start around the edges and then work with a figure of 8 across the rest of the floor. This ensures that all areas are free of debris prior to mopping. When you have finished sweeping, lightly tap the mop on the floor to remove all the debris, which should then be removed using your dustpan and brush. You can now mop the floor. Cutting into the edges and corners first, you should use a figure of 8 with overlapping strokes to clean the main part of the floor, working your way towards the exit. If necessary, divide the floor into sections to make it easier to do, and don't forget to pay particular attention to the areas under desks and chairs if applicable. Allow the floor to dry before removing the signs.